Hi friends, you're all serving one organization as of now. Tomorrow you may be somewhere else, and yesterday you were somewhere, right? Wherever you are, what is important to you is you need to justify the pay you're taking. So, company employed you, trusted you in keeping a responsible position, giving the responsible task for you to execute. Live up to its expectations and deliver your best. If you have any issues, sort out with your management, but never hide and tell excuses for non-delivering or underperformance, right? And the job you're doing it, that is, you're doing for the wellness of your wealth growth plan. Okay, so wealth is important, but health is also important. Health is wealth, you know, right? And are you doing anything for your health? If you are stuck by your health issues, then you may not come out and project to the company, but your performance will suffer. Beyond the performance, your personal things will suffer. Your in-person is impacting. So how to improve your persona? So you have to keep yourself fit. You're doing a great job for the company. Company is appreciating and paying you well. So you're happy. You don't need to spend any extra effort. You can get everything arranged at your doorstep or in your hand itself. But that way, you may be impacting your health, right? If you hire servants and just at the press of a buzzer or calling, they will come and give you everything. But if you go and take out even a glass of water, that's going to give you some calories burned. The program here is to and keep you fit. Fitness is most important. Walk steps. Make steps every day. Every step counts towards your health, wellness. Every step counts. You know, you can make 100 steps in a minute on an average. A person generally can make from 50 steps minimum in a minute to 150 steps or more, depending on the pace, right? And so, in 10 minutes you can make 100 steps. Multiplied by 10, it's 1000 steps. You know, that's on an average, it's equal to 1 kilometer per 10 minutes. When you're taking a break, getting up from the chair, just have a walk around, if possible jog. That's going to give you a benefit, lot of benefit towards your health, wellness. That is most important. If you are well, then you can serve the company better and you can help your family enjoy better, right? So you need to spend at least 90 minutes in a day. On and off, you need not do it continuously. You can take breaks and get the exercise done. The exercise, I mean to say, you can enjoy it. So say 10 minutes. You woke up from the chair, got up from the chair, then just move around. If you jog, you may be able to make 1500 steps in 10 minutes. That's 1.5 kilometers. 9000 steps in 90 minutes. Approximately 9 kilometers, 9 to 10 kilometers. So that way it's going to help you improve your metabolism, reduce your weight and keep you fit. Now with the pandemic scenario, the mobility of everyone is reduced, limited to the four walls or from this corner to that corner of your house, whatever big it is. If you are lucky to have a farmhouse, then maybe it will be a kilometer wide or so more, right? If you are normally in a small villa or a flat, it may be 30 to 40 feet from this corner to that corner. And if you're lucky to have some good campus around, so maybe around 300 to 400 steps in one go. So that way, in three rounds, you can make 1 kilometer. Try it. It's easy, simple, right? You can walk the talk, right? Whenever you want to talk to somebody, when you are taking a call, the meetings and all, don't sit and get drowsy while you are attending. Your participation may not be there. To keep yourself attentive, stand up and take up the call. And another thing, adjust your furniture such a way that at least 50% of the time or 30% minimum, you stand up and take the call or do the work. So you can have 2 tiered tables, one for sitting and another for standing. So while standing also, you can work comfortably on the system or whatever you are doing it. Make it comfortably such a way that keep yourself fit. Thank you. Keep fit.